I gotta tell you, I watch a lot of Discovery Channel. 1,000-pound pig is not much of a pig.
What would
Are
be
you filming right now when I'm talking about a pig?
What would be a sizable pig?
A sizable pig is 2,500 pounds.
Oh, wow.
2,700 pounds.
Okay.
With tusks.
Okay.
With tusks. You want to know what a sizable pig is?
Sure. That's okay.
That's sizable
Okay.
pig.
That's a good answer.
Pig.
Okay. Are you scared, Roger? You're not scared, are you, Roger?
I'm horrified.
Whoa! He doesn't even fit in the frame.
Holy Jesus!
He does have tusks.
Hold on a second.
He doesn't even fit in the frame.
Hold on a second. Chris.
Wow. Dang, Wilbur.
I'm gonna hop on the other side and fuck it. You film it. Holy jeez.
Don't rile him up.
1,100.
Okay, it's 1,100 pounds, 7 years old. It's a York, Hampshire, from Fayetteville, Arizona. 10 pounds, a grain a day. Retired from breeding farm. Will never be eaten. Never be eaten.
Never be
What's his name?
Wilbur. It says right there. Oh. Okay, nice to meet you, Wilbur.
You gotta make an ass out of me in front of the lady.
Sorry.
How do I get a picture?
Dang.
He's got video.
There you Wow.
Cause we're a paws.
Wow. Those are big uns.
It's paper on cards.
Poo cards.
Smeared out of
Look how happy David is. Look how happy David
You
is.
can see the grains of grass and everything.
David's just so happy. I've never seen him like this. He's
We have to
glowing.
get our CD
He's glowing with
printed
the
out
poo
of this.
paper.
You should
That's
go
great.
wipe your ass with that. It'll